Hello everyone, I am Rakibul from CSC Data Science Department. Today I am going to discuss about animation and physics. So let us begin. First, the introduction. Physics in animations. Exploring the fascinating world of physics and animations, from simple 2D cartoons to advanced 3D simulations, physics plays a crucial role in creating captivating animations. So let us see. The role of physics in animation. Realism. Physics-based animations can create realistic and relatable movements and interactions between objects and characters. As we can see in the images that a realistic view can give and can enhance animation very much. Like you can take your time and see here the realistic eyes, this image, etc. So next is storytelling. Physics can enhance the narrative of an animation, adding depth and nuance to the story. As you can see, if you put a realistic view to the story, it gives a very well developed storytelling to the animation. So let us do engagement. When done well, physics-based animations can captivate and inspire audiences, making them more invested in the animation's character and events. As as from one animation, one can see that the more the story progresses, the more engaged one person can become to the story, to the characters, etc. Now, the applications in different types of animations. There are basically three types like 2D, 3D, and stop motion. So let us begin with the 2D. Physics in 2D animation is used to create believable movements such as bouncing ball or a falling object. There are many 2D animations like as you can see in the examples. This is from the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. This is, as you know, the common Pokemon, and this is from one of the animes. As you can see, these are the 2D animations examples. Uh, Now let's go to 3D. Physics in 3D animation is essential for creating realistic simulations of complex objects and environments like a collapsing building or a spaceship in orbit. As you can see in many of the Disney movies, as you can see from the examples, there are many uh, 3D animations is used in their projects. As you can see from Pixies and this, and there are many such works in nowadays. 3D works is going on now. The stop motion. Stop motion is very interesting. As you can see, physics in stop motion animations is crucial for maintaining continuity between frames, ensuring that each movement is consistent with what came before and after. As you can see from the example, from the images, the stop motion is used by this person, where the as you can see from one of the shows is that Shaun the Sheep, they use the stop motion for their show. Now let's go for some examples of physics-based animation. Wall-E. It is a movie you must have seen in a childhood. In this movie, physics is applied to the movements of an adorable robot who interacts with his environment in realistic ways, making it easy for audiences to connect with him. As you can see, you must have seen in your childhood. So let's go to next. Dynamo. This animated series features a magician who uses physics to create amazing illusions, inspiring viewers to learn more about the science behind the magic. You can take your time, you can see actually. You must have seen this as well. Now, soccer physics. It's a game actually. In this mobile game, players control physics-based 2D soccer players in hilarious and often absurd matches that rely on careful timing, skill, and a little bit of luck. You must have played it in a mobile, mostly mobile, or you can have played in some flash games in desktop as well. So in this, you have get became the characters and use the balls and goal it. Now let's go for challenges in implementing physics in animations. Resource intensive. Physics-based animations require significant computing power and can take a long time to render, especially in 3D. Technical expertise. Creating accurate physics simulations requires a solid understanding of the underlying physics principles, as well as knowledge of complex software tools and programming languages. Balance between realism and entertainment. Animating physics can be a delicate balancing act between creating a believable simulation and keeping the audience engaged and entertained. Now, we, we can see the tools and software for physics-based animations. One is Blender. This open source software features a powerful physics engine that allows animators to create realistic simulations of complex objects and environments. Now, one more is Adobe Animate. This industry-based this industry standard tool is perfect for creating 2D physics-based animations with a user-friendly interface and robust features for animation and special effects. Now, let's go for Autodesk Maya. This 3D animation and special effects software is widely used in the film and game industries, featuring powerful physics tools for creating realistic simulations for complex environments and characters. Now, you can see some animations example. Uh, Basically, the animation is used by using the frame. As you have seen, if you have heard of the words like FPS and all, so it is the frames per second. As you can see, this character, they are drawn like the simple standing view, then it is yawning and all. And they are used by giving so many frames to look like it is animated. As you can see, this space guy, the one with the spacesuit, is kind of look like he is floating, and the skeleton, you can see, it is like first it is standing, it's like moving to its towards its right, towards its left. It's like basically using the use of the frames, so which looks like he is actually moving, which looks like animation. Now this like this puppy, you can see, he also is made using the frames which make him look like it is animated. Now let's move on. So what are the conclusion and future of physics in animation? The present. Physics-based animations are already pushing the boundaries of what is possible in animation, creating new opportunities for storytelling and audience engagement. The future. As technology continues to advance, the use of physics in animation will only continue to grow, creating even more immersive and engaging experience for audiences around the world. Now, the possibilities. As physics and animation continue to evolve together, the possibilities for what can be achieved are truly limitless, promising a bright future for both fields. I have taken one example of one of the greatest animation animation show, that is One Piece. As you can see, it will take a time. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.